Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. So in today's video, I will be guiding you through a quick and easy process on how to delete your FreeFire Max account. So if you want to get rid of your FreeFire Max account so that you don't want to use the game anymore, then you can easily follow these simple steps. So let's get started. First of all, open your FreeFire Max application and make sure to log into your account that you'd like to get rid of. After you're signed in from the main home page, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, from the settings menu, go ahead and tap on the delete account button under basic tab. It should be located at the bottom right corner. And then once you are done, you will be able to see this pop-up where you can tap on confirm in order to continue deleting your account. Once your account has been deleted, it cannot be restored, so make sure to make a wise decision. Once tapping on confirm, it'll take a few spins. It'll take you to this page where you will need to fill in your account deletion request. Make sure that you have your correct UID, your nickname. Now enter the device's name that you are using. The operating system version should also be entered on the next field. And also make sure to type in a little description for your request. Also, go ahead and enter the deletion region. While you're trying to get rid of your account, confirm your account deletion by tapping on this little box at the bottom. Tap on the screenshot of in-game profile box as well. And now, you will need to take a screenshot of your in-game profile. Go ahead and open up your profile on your FreeFire Max. Now go ahead and take a screenshot of your in-game profile and upload it inside the attachment fields and tap on submit. Soon after you do that, your account will now be scheduled to deletion. So that is how you can easily delete your FreeFire Max account if you don't want to use it anymore. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.